United Airlines CEO Scott Kirby has stated that the company is probably doing more AI than anyone as it continues to invest in the technology. While many of the airline's AI efforts are still in the experimental phase, some use cases have shown promise. For example, AI is being used to share flight details with customers and update labor contracts, where it has proven to be more accurate and faster than humans. Additionally, the company is exploring the use of AI for baggage recovery. However, not all AI use cases have been successful. United Airlines has found that AI hasn't worked as well as expected for predictive maintenance, although the company is still experimenting in this area and has had some isolated successes. Kirby's comments on AI come as the airline industry continues to grapple with the challenges of implementing new technologies. Many companies struggle to identify which AI ideas to launch at scale, and some have found that promoting a culture of experimentation and trial and error can lead to better results. In other news, United Airlines has partnered with JetBlue, allowing passengers to book flights on both carriers' websites and interchangeably earn and use points in their frequent flyer programs. JetBlue CEO Joanna Garrity has stated that this partnership will not lead to a merger between the two carriers. Kirby has also made comments about the budget airline model, calling it dead, and stating that these airlines screw the customer by charging extra fees and having a bare-bones approach to service. However, some budget airlines have pushed back on these claims, highlighting their own customer-friendly policies. Despite Kirby's criticism of budget airlines, United's partnership with JetBlue has raised questions about the nature of their business models. Kirby has defended the partnership, stating that JetBlue is not a typical budget airline and is instead focused on providing better service to customers. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.